But it's true that people can live a certain lifestyle for 5, throw up the playbook, and try something new in these later years. Someone said, don't you have to do the second 6 years of your economic life like the first 6 years? Write this down. No, you don't have to live the second 6 years like the first 6. You can use all the information and all the advice and repairing all your mistakes and adopting a new and refined philosophy so that the next 6 years can be totally different. I ended up being broke for the first 6 years of my economic life. But I ended up being rich for the second 6 years. What am I here for? What am I worth? Where do I belong? What opportunities do I have? Where is my future? What we ponder and think about establishes the course of our lives. It's like the set of the sail that's leading us somewhere. Missing the treasures that your life could pile into in the future months and years is why these questions are considered important. Part of being healthy is having confidence in yourself, which comes from not slacking off on the little disciplines you commit to every day. I'm going to be healthy because I do all the right things. I eat an apple every day. I walk around the block. And I jog on the beach at the end of the day when I've truly given it my all. When you believe in yourself, you feel better about yourself, which has positive effects on your health, your future, and your mental health. Confidence means being willing to do whatever it takes to reach your goals. When your preparations lead to success, you reinforce the disciplines that got you there. Respect is earned by self-investment. And the only way to make a better and better and better investment in your future is to improve your present self by being better, stronger, wiser, and more competent. Self-improvement and investment in one's future are magnets for significant achievement. Everyone I know and have worked with on this planet seems to be plagued by feelings of self-loathing and guilt. The more of these emotions we experience, the less effective our lives become. Conversely, the less of these emotions we experience, the more effective they become. Everyone I've ever worked with has a core belief of I'm not good enough, to which we add I don't do enough, or I don't deserve, which begs the question, how, if this is a deeply held belief, have you managed to create a loving, joyful, prosperous, and healthy life for yourself? My experience has taught me that the four most problematic emotions are anger, criticism, guilt, and fear, all of which stem from avoiding responsibility and placing the blame on others. When we accept that everything that occurs in our lives is a reflection of our own inner thoughts, we realize that there is no one to blame but ourselves. I don't approve of the way others act, but I think it's our ideas that make us vulnerable to being mistreated. To the physical level, long-held resentment can eat away at the body and become the disease we call cancer. If you find yourself saying, "Everyone always does such and such to me. They criticize me. They are never there for me. They use me like a doormat. They abuse me," then this is your pattern. There is some thought in you that attracts people who exhibit this behavior. When you no longer think that way, they will go elsewhere. You stop thinking that way. Pain, fear, and the resulting tension from punishment can lead to health problems ranging from baldness and ulcers to irritated feet. While it may seem simplistic, I have learned that forgiveness and letting go of resentment can kill anything. I can attest to its efficacy, having witnessed it firsthand. While we can't undo what's already happened, we can alter our perspective on it. It's ridiculous that we punish ourselves now for wrong done to us eons ago.